Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Come on in. It's gonna be a short, quick one. How are you all doing today? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you for joining. Invite others as you join. I have a quick announcement to make. Just taking you around my neighborhood at the same time. Show you around. Okay, let's wait for a few more people to join so we can go ahead and jump into what we have today. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are we doing today? How is everyone doing today? How are you doing today? If you come in, say hi so we will know you are here. Say something nice so we know you are here. Thank you guys for joining. Azuka, Aneto. Thank you for joining. Yesterday we made a post about Mazi NNAMDI Kanu's lawyer advising people. Jerry E. Honora, thank you for joining. How are you today, Jerry? Odinaka Cyprian Ezekafo, thank you for joining. How are you? I'm just showing you around my neighborhood. At the same time, make a quick announcement. Isioma Godwin, thank you for joining, sir. Welcome. So if by now people cannot differentiate between what is good and bad, people cannot use their senses. What makes you a human is your ability to reason. That is what makes you a human, your ability to reason. Goats cannot reason. Chickens cannot reason. Other animals created by God cannot reason, but it is only the human being that is given that privilege, that gift of reasoning. If by now people cannot reason, it means that, I don't know, the hardest to deal with in this life. Some people, I saw somebody Omote Biafra went live. She is apologizing for all that she did. Nah, look before you leap. I was among the people that supported Efe then too, because I love her audacity. But it came out later that it was all false. I love how she admitted that she was wrong, and now she is apologizing. That is what a child of God will do. That is what a responsible human who has human sympathy can do. And I admire that. And I beg the people who are involved in this to find a place in their hearts to forgive her. She is sincerely sorry. Nonyelum Precious, thank you for joining. Odejinjin Wachineke, aha carry way too. Welcome, thank you for joining. Anekwe Ikechukwu, thank you for joining. How are you? I'm just taking you around my neighborhoods to show you around. Do you like it? Yeah, this is my neighborhood. This is my neighborhood. This is what a sane country looks like. Oh yeah, in Achoka, Biafra Tv, so that we have the privilege. It is nice here, but it is not easy. It is not a bed of roses. There is no easy life anywhere. Everywhere is beautiful, nice environment, but it is not always easy. If you no go, you no go. You no go, no. Yeah. So I posted that and somebody commented, oh, it's all like mad people everywhere. That person that commented that, I go, what's you? Don't come here and comment that kind of thing. What's you? How will you say that kind of thing? Mad people everywhere. Who are you calling mad people? When you see an information, when you hear information, try to apply your God-given wisdom. Barrister Ejiofor and Barrister Loy Ejimako said that Mazi NNAMDI Kanu was pained by the allegations on Caroline Okafor, the secretary. Nenayanya and who else? Kanu, his younger brother. Why won't you take that from Nnamdi Kanu? Why are you still doubting about it? Still doubting it? Kennedy Irebu, thank you for joining. Thank you everyone for joining. Look at that. Did you see that? And people are living close to this place. It's beautiful, right? I know. I know. This is a park. If you have children, you can play here. Even as an adult, sometimes people come here to sit and relax. Aja Meli Nadozie, thank you for joining. Don Valentine Onwa, thank you for joining. So, if by now you cannot respect Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's lawyer, seeing the effort they are doing to make sure that Nnamdi is released, if by now you cannot respect the DOS, the team that is working with Nnamdi Kanu, one Ibu rebel, one Emagi, if by now, you are welcome. I'm not Oga. It's not Oga talking today. It's Madam talking today. Ike Keynes Greg, thank you for joining. Naji, Chidi, Kelvin, thank you for joining. Free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that's all we know. Bagam. Onyaima. What else Haneme. Haneme every day and then with the new count charges in the ara. How they married America have every day and then with the new count charges, which is not proper. You coming this way?
Yeah, this way over here.
All right. Every day and with the new count charges, every week with a new one. Okay, so what happening? That's the accident when the latest one on against Mazi that is yet to be released. I'm reading the comments. Let me see. Kengi Chien, I'm just seeing you. Welcome. Thank you for joining. Thank you for joining. Free Nnamdi Kanu and give us Biafra. Free Nnamdi Kanu and give us Biafra. This is what other countries look like. Nigeria Jirego. Nigeria Jirego gas kato. Mana the evil politicians. The fun for job and they are not allowing us to enjoy. An average Nigerian and not abo we na chebo naga. They go in the mad and they buy naga India. Naga Philippines again megine. Eba ndia aika hajirego kara hanofuma. But our people because no good life. When you only bring now back, you only bring now back. Say that Jehovah give we good life. Oh my God, again. It is high time we stand up. It is high time we stand up for what is ours. If not, we'll keep making the same mistake. Look at a lot of us are outside, enduring, doing what we are not supposed to do. Clifford Naram, thank you for joining. Elevated King Dollars, thank you for joining. Gloria Okole, thank you for joining. Kennedy Honorable, have I mentioned you before? Thank you, sir, for joining. This is what we are asking the government. It is not too much. It is our right. Create your jobs. Make a life for them easy. So we won't be suffering what we are suffering. But they refuse. Hi. They don't want any better life for us. They sent their children to the UK. They can't apart her. They sent their children to the US. They send their children to Australia. They send their children to Canada to go and school. But I know school, community school, just like that. Our people, religion, the last resort. Religion, they believe poor people. People are not suffering anyhow. ekwesịghị na-ekpe ekpere ka mmiri bịa. Ekwesịrị provide anyị mmiri. O nwere ihe ndị a na-ekwesịghị na-etinye n'ekpere. Ndị mmadụ gazi abroad ha kwụsị ikpe ekpere because ihe niile ha almost ihe niile ha chọrọ anaghị provide here. Divine love. Thanks for joining. I'm just bittered. I'm bittered. At the same time I'm walking. That is why you see me breathing like this. I'm having a walk. That is why I'm breathing so fast. It is quite pathetic. It is quite pathetic. And NNAMDI KANU, so far, is the only brave man that has come up to challenge this government. Every other person does not want to die. They are comfortable in their suffering. Every other person whereas we only live once. Now suffer. Yeah, me too, I want to be alive. You too, you want to be alive. You that is watching me. But what is worth doing is worth doing well. It is not fair. It is not fair. They sent their children to the good countries so that they will study. Then happens anyone one opportunity. Kind of because Obrona ibili yota sina ihane mega de ma. So it is high time we stand up. Already. I am one. Ojore Kasia Desiganyo. I am one. Juliet Kinsley, thank you for joining. Aku Great, thank you for joining. I see you all. Thank you. Thank you so much. So yeah, what are yeah, school bus all free of charge. Can every market now go school bus? And every market free. Yaga through her lota ya drop kwaha. Ya through her gaga ya drop kwaha mahalota. You know your children are safe, Mahaga school. Anything you got work police. Police are police are your friends. So you back on a walk. Now Nigeria police are your enemies in disguise. Isi ki ko hebu. Hey, how are you? How's school today? Good, that's good. One more sister school, lot now, bro, and drop. Oh, yeah, they kill him. You see, everybody is happy because at least he hear the Toma. But in Nigeria, everybody is young. You want to warn your anger comes with a default in Nigeria because on your brother is young. I hear me for the gauge just because no verse, I beg, anyway. No verse, I beg. What if you show me where this person is, if who's on your guy because I'm if you be versing. If you the verse, you were there with the default because everything not there no we way. Onyo bra na chiguge wayo. Onyo bra na choko scam wo. Onyo bra na choko for the best. Kina da tazi Henry. Gerald Oji, thank you for joining. It's frustrating. Mark Chika, thank you for joining. Ernest, thank you for joining. So what am I saying? Respect the DOS. Listen to them. But they are doing well. They are doing well. As isn't obrogen igemenka. Isn't obrogen igemenka. Obrogon when he game. Respect the DOS. Respect NNAMDI KANU's lawyers. They are doing great. I was so excited when I seen NNAMDI KANU in the court. That is what they do. They did great by pressurizing these people to bring him to court. They are trying. You have to listen to them. Don't keep saying my people everywhere. Hi. Please. Of course, I need everybody to wake up. This is the wake-up call. Wake up. India run about fam like this. No be juju. No be magical camera. And in the matter okay, but that wicked them like this. So, all of them sacrifice their life. Nam in my government arajina bahana obuna. NNAMDI KANU is the only one with audacity, with God, to challenge this their evil attitude. Only knows about this God. Only had you not choke with NNAMDI KANU. Only had to choke NNAMDI walk. Can silence on your bona. Can silence Ibu Hokai. Can you hear Dika? Why are we being treated like this? Why are we being treated poorly? Ko happy na make exist. Ko nyabala happy na chetia. Ko hamezi otu de hamma. Oruzemba ha to little like this. They send them abroad. They don't mind. Ina aku pukunde millions ka hajiga school. Mana nwa ogbenye achọghị m about them. Whereas na ala bekee n'obodo oyibo ụmụ ogbenye ndị agadi ụmụaka ha kacha dị mkpa na society na n'obodo oyibo. Menyebe ndị okenye, menyebe ụmụaka na ụmụ ogbenye. Onwe ihe onye ọbụla, onwe onye na-eweta. Onwe ihe ọzọ na-ewe. Even idoro okenye na-anya moto, onye ji ụkwụ ga-enweta privilege karịa gị na-anya moto because iji moto. Ibiri n'ezigbote ụlọ, onye bi na lower house ga-enweta benefit karịa gị and before you because ha feeling ịdị okay. Mana Nigeria nwe onye na ha na-enye account, onye na ha na-ajụ, ha they don't care. Kekwe ka ha si akịa anyị. Ebe ha bi n'ụlọ dị Mazi ka ndị ọbụla nwụọ. Yeah, my goodness, it's so painful. So respect the DOS. So respect the DOS. You are free to believe whatever you believe in. You are an adult. It is quite understandable, but make sure you respect the DOS. Respect NNAMDI KANU's lawyer. They not be your mate. Chiemeka smart. Nam go and take your bath, Jare. Go have your bath. Another thing here very soon. Just to take you around and show you my neighborhood and you know. Ndani na kusuru ugwa mota niile. Ha me respect red light anyị na ahụ na. Ebe a ka iwu na-arụ ọrụ. Susan, welcome. Ha niile kwụsịrị ka mota ka ọkụ anwụ ikecha green. Mana ị ga-ahụ ụdị ihe na Nigeria because onye ọbụla when the foundation is destroyed, what can the righteous do? Because onye ọbụla ihe niile emebiela n'isi mmiri. Onye ọbụla na-emezi otu dị ya mma. And the motor chala here chana red now. Everybody is going. Ebe moto na ọkụ na-acha red akwụsị. Ebe ọkụ na-acha green agawa. Even na ụmụ anụmanụ na respect ebe m obey the law. Because etu esi tinye ihe ka o si na work. Ị ga-anọ na ọchịchị na-loot money. Ị bịa na-enyezi ụmụ ogbenye command. Onwe onye ga-ege gị ntị. Because ihe niile na work. Onye ọbụla na-akwanyere iwu ugwu. Onye oji dịka ndị ọcha ha ka anya mma. Ha kakwana anya mma. Ha kakwana anya amara ihe. Ha kakwana anya enwe ngozi Chineke. Ha ka anya enwe akara aka. Kama na ha na-etinye nke ha n'ọlụ. Anya dị etinye nke anyị n'ọlụ. That's the only difference. That is the only difference. I want to come back home. Here not be my home. I will never die here in the name of Jesus Christ. Amen. I'm not going to die here. I want to come back home someday. I'm tired of living in another man's land. Suffering. No family, no helper, no nothing. I am tired. Sammy White, Angole, welcome. AJ John, thank you for joining. Welcome. NS, have I mentioned your name here today? Thank you for joining. Welcome. I'm tired of living far away. There are a lot of benefits to enjoy if you are home. At least family, immediate family is important. If I'm at home now, I know the benefits I will be enjoying. But because I'm not home, I know what I'm passing through. It is Biafra or nothing will remain. No. If we perish, make we perish. Make we kuku perish. You don't perish already. It is Biafra or nothing will remain. May them give us Biafra and may them free NNAMDI KANU. You tag Ipob terrorists because they are asking for good life, equity, fairness, and justice. You tag them terrorists. And you are doing everything to justify your claim. Quite pathetic. Here me na East, you know, Bunde money, not a guy Ipob and ESN. Hagana East. Here, Bundeka, Dr. Chike Akoyele. Ota hasi that man now. Tag an IPOB. Oh, Kenya IPOB bad name. Kahasi. Can do as a mambo one and does say, hey, Naholania. I couldn't see Kenya no country. If they give you country, is this how you be behaving? This freedom fight for everyone. Manda Muramu, Manda Gadi, Mandin Toreto, Mandin Torobia. Onyobana. This freedom fight before Nyobana. If you Mandina in the Igbo, Manda Osa feeling a hand of Mahana of Ma. This freedom fight before Nyobana. It is time we all rise up. It is time we all rise up. Imana. If we fail for this second time, we will never rise again. If we don't rise up and tackle what is tackling us and confront what is confronting us, we may not have the opportunity again. We may not have the lives of NNAMDI KANU in this lifetime again. So whatever you are, support IPOB. Follow NNAMDI KANU. The guy is a road for now. Follow God. Follow NNAMDI. For now, I be the guy where Sabi waited the sup. I be the guy where Sabi waited the sup. Make you follow him. Make we join hands together. And you come on, Mirano or Bo Fofo. The boss in Igwebuike. Igwebuike. Onya with area. Everybody is important. Nobody knows everything, but somebody knows something. You watala. You wetarogi, me wetankim, unyoze wetankia. We all make it work. Don't come before the hand. Oh, I'm not into politics, so I'm not into politics at all. Apromonya IPOB, mbamba. Obasagi, meneme chakpaya obasagi. Ibonya IPOB. But apparently, you are seeing politics in your daily activities, in your daily life. You are seeing politics in your workplace. You are seeing politics in your yard, baby. You are seeing politics in your home. You are seeing politics in the market. Everywhere you go, you see politics. Yet you are claiming, oh, bro, my politics. Okay, me chabazoga. Ana se kwale kan hear them ma. Abo makofone. We are saying we want good life. It may not be for us, so particularly. You may be the one to benefit more from it. Oh. you like this that said you are not IPOB. You are not Onibo. You are not a politician. You may be the one benefiting more from this thing this course we are pursuing. So you have to support IPOB financially. Support IPOB morally. Support IPOB in any way you can. Now that is going to be sit at home. If you have anything, support your brother. Help them. Sitting at home for 1 week. No be joke. No be joke. It means they will not be going out. If you can send a lot, 2,000 is something to somebody. 1,000 is something to somebody. Share if you have. Share with your brothers. Share with your brothers. The IPOB people are writing about on social media. It's not what we are. IPOB, we are not terrorists. And we can never be terrorists. Onye buru nwanne ya ebughị mmadụ. Onye buru nwanne ya bụ onwe ya ka o buru. So we don't kill our own. We don't kill our own. Search it everywhere. Go and look for it everywhere. Ebe ọbụla ị chọrọ ga-achọ ya. Ndị a na-egbu ndị a na-egbu people a. Ọkwa ndị Nigerian government na-eme ya. Emecha ha tagizie ya na IPOB ka ha jiri cover their shame. Emechaze Ostrako Okoro, thank you for joining. Ibanugo, thank you for joining. Austin Okonkwo, thank you for joining. Oh, Isioma Godwin, thank you for joining. Eze Edu, thank you for joining, sir. Angel Samuel, thank you for joining. Yusi Ben, I see you, thank you. So, the die is cast. Whatever you can, do it now that you are alive. No line KJ Chetani. Nani ihe anyị mere mgbe anyị dị ndụ. Naanị eziokwu anyị kwuru mgbe anyị dị ndụ. Naanị ya ka a ga-eji cheta anyị. Because nobody is living here alive. Nobody is living here alive. I don't even think the politicians realize this. That someday they will live here. And other people will continue. Whatever you can, keep your hands clean. Live uprightly. We shall all give account on how we live our lives. We shall all give account. Stay on the right path always. Agbala amoga bagide onye ọzọ. Ekwu na ihe mmadụ na-ekwu ike ka iji zụta favor. Maka favor ha ga-last gị. Ọ ga-last gị. Anyị abịala n'ụzọ dịka ụzọ ọhịa, right? Yeah. It's a small bushy path. Ihe ndị anyị na-ene anya bụ nkụ. The thing about kwakpo, the grass, the leaves just withered. It just withered. When I came here newly, I was thinking, oh, Nanku Jureba. As a village person where I be, I come to tell myself, say, these people get firewood though. But not lie, you know, dry or anything. These are still very much alive. So, Michael Chinato, thank you for joining.